G'day guys, it's Emmett. I'm the National Business Development Manager from iStore. I'm very excited to be here today at this beautiful home in Yokine to showcase you a recent iStore install and also run through with you a bit of the product roadmap for iStore. We've got a beautiful 5 kilowatt single phase hybrid system with 10 kilowatt hours of battery and 20 panels on the roof, so 8.8 kilowatts of solar panels. iStore is a completely Australian owned company. We offer local tech support and warranty support. This really gives the homeowner peace of mind that if there were to be any system issues in the future, they've got someone local to call and get it solved in a timely manner. So our team here at iStore has extensive knowledge of the market's needs and requirements. Our team's amassed well over 50 years of experience in the industry, and so we really know what constitutes a good product and good service. So cybersecurity is a massive focus for iStore. We've developed a platform through an independent and third party with a European service to deliver an all-in-one experience for our customers, and that's really going to provide them with the comfort knowing their data is safe and protected. We offer one of the leading warranties in the industry. We really back the quality and longevity of our products. We offer a comprehensive 10-year warranty on battery and inverters, and we've also got a promotional additional 2 years parts warranty on our inverters, so really a 10 plus 2-year warranty. Safety is absolutely paramount when it comes to iStore products. So we've actually embedded 4 layers of safety features and protection into our battery modules. From AI arc fault protection that actually detects faults and mitigates risks before they even happen, to some self-extinguishing packs in all our battery modules. This really gives peace of mind to the customer that they've got a really safe product on their house. So the roadmap for iStore products is EV charger coming out in the coming months. Also, we're going to add to our extensive hybrid range. So we've currently got the 5 and 6 kilowatt single and 3-phase available. Soon we'll have a 10 kilowatt single phase hybrid as well as a 10 to 25 kilowatt 3-phase hybrid range.